In 2025, Rheem will commit to achieving zero waste and zero landfill impact from all of our global manufacturing operations.
Sustainability, to me, it's less of being afraid of using resources that we have, but being mindful of what we're using and being innovative in how we use those resources to be able to have it for the next generation and the generation to come.
We're going to help influence the rest of our team here at Raypak to really get that going. I think if every individual chooses one thing they're really passionate about and that's really feasible for them to change, I mean, that's going to make a drastic impact. And so if we can implement that at Raypak and everyone can just do a little bit here, a little bit there, it's going to add up and it's going to make a difference.
I'm pretty hopeful for that to happen and eventually become more important in the community here. So especially with Raypak, as I've learned from interviewing here, they really want to promote sustainability and really want to develop it, and I'm really excited to be a part of that.
I can picture my dad when I was little taking a paper towel, washing his hands, wiping his hands off with it, draping it over the sink to dry, and I'm thinking as a young kid, how stupid is that? And he chooses to dry them out, and his thought is later on somebody will come by and need another paper towel to wipe something up, and that's a good way to save. Same thing with throwing out things. He saved a lot of things. But you can't do that without passion. You can't do that without buy-in. And when you come to an operation like Raypak and you find a leader who's ready to jump in and get his feet dirty and start making a difference with sustainability, then that's half the work.
It takes a lot of work, and you need to be educating people as to why it's important, but also make things easy for them and make them understand that just those little changes that they can make really can have a big impact as it adds up over the years.
Anything we can do to speed that up, maybe even do it sooner, I'm all for it, and I would fully support.